Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the heart of the Bangalore and we are about to explore one of the city's most iconic landmark, Big Bull Temple. To reach Big Bull Temple, you need to take a Green Line metro station and need to step down at National College metro station. From there, Big Bull Temple is 1.5 kilometers away. You can walk or you can take the auto. This magnificent structure holds a significant place in Bangalore's rich culture and religious heritage. So let's dive right in and discover the beauty and history behind this Big Bull Temple. Interestingly, the Big Bull Temple and Kadlekai per se shares a historical connection. The groundnut fair began as an offering to Nandi, the sacred bull at the temple, seeking the blessings for the bountiful harvest. It's incredible to see how these traditions have stood the test of the time. Have a glimpse into the fantastic history of Big Bull Temple and cultural celebration that is Kadlekai Parshe. Kadlekai Parshe is an annual groundnut fair that brings together the essence of Karnataka's culture and culinary traditions. Kadlekai Parshe is the celebration of the harvest season, and you can feel the joy and excitement all around this celebration. Legend has it that Kempegowda, in gratitude for the fertility of the land and the success of his city, offering the groundnuts to the deity Nandi. This tradition evolved into the lively Kadlekai Parshe, where people celebrate their harvest season with the various groundnut-based dishes. The Big Bull Temple, officially known as Dodda Basavana Gudi, has a history that dates back to the 16th century. This temple was built by Kempegowda, the founder of Bangalore. During one of his hunting expeditions, Kempegowda encountered a unique rock formation that resembled a bull. Taking it as a divine sign, he decided to build a temple dedicated to Nandi, the sacred bull and the Vahana of Lord Shiva. As we step into the temple, the inspiring Dravidian architecture immediately captures our attention. Elaborate carvings, intricate sculptures, and towering pyramid-shaped tower showcase the artistic brilliance of the craftsmen from centuries ago. Now let's go inside and get the blessings of Lord Nandi. As we stepped inside, the first thing that captured our attention is the colossal Nandi statue. The Nandi, which is a sacred bull, is not only a symbol of strength but also the mount of Lord Shiva. This beautiful black granite statue stands at an impressive 15 feet height and 20 feet in length, making it one of the largest Nandi statue in the world. Just look at the intricate details carved into this massive Nandi. The sculptors have done an incredible job capturing the essence of devotion and power. Here there is a detailed history of Sri Big Bull Temple. You can pause the video and check out the details. Right outside the Big Bull temple, you will find bustling market filled with local shops offering you an array of goods and treats. You can find everything from colorful trinkets and souvenirs to beautiful handmade crafts. It's a great place to pick up unique gifts and keepsakes to remember your visit. These stalls are treasure trove of local handicrafts, intricate designed handmade artifacts. Each item tells a story of Bangalore's rich cultural heritage. As we explore the temple complex, you will notice the serene surroundings. The beautiful architecture, the lush greenery and the peaceful ambience makes this place a perfect escape from hustle and bustle of the city life. Just in front of the Big Bull temple, we have a Dodda Ganapati temple as well. The massive Ganesha idol is carved from the single rock and is believed to be one of the largest Ganesha idol in the country. As we visited the temple in odd hours, we missed to capture the beauty of this temple from inside. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos as well. Thank you.